Hi, I'm Patrick O'Donnell. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, a leading researcher in oncology, 250,000 people on estimate die each year from smokeless tobacco product use. Reasons to listen to my speech today are that smokeless tobacco products can have a severe effect on our lives, whether it's your own life or someone who you know, a friend or family member. Smokeless tobacco is a carcinogen, which is a cancer-causing substance, and it's compiled of various harmful substances to the human body. To go over the different things we'll talk about during my speech, first we'll discuss problems that are associated with tobacco use. Second, we'll talk about causes of these harmful side effects. And finally, we'll finish with how we're going to solve this problem. So our first topic is problems associated with smokeless tobacco use. According to the American Cancer Society, which is another leading researcher in the study of oncology, various forms of cancer have a direct correlation to use of smokeless tobacco products. These types of cancer could be mouth cancer, tongue, cheek, or gum cancer, as well as esophagus cancer and pancreatic cancer are all led to by smokeless tobacco products. Other less serious but still notable side effects would be tooth and gum decay, high blood pressure, heart attack, nicotine addiction, and even just bad breath. So this is an image shown to you by the U.S. Surgeon General, who's responsible in the United States for explaining to the United States population any possible side effects that are negative from smoking or non-smoking tobacco products. You see here that they even put right on the label for you to read that smokeless tobacco is addictive. The product can cause gum disease and tooth loss. The product can cause mouth cancer, and it's not a safe alternative to cigarettes. This is important to see because you're learning that we're being told that the products aren't safe for us, and they are warning us, yet some people still choose to buy and use them. So now that we're moving on from the problems associated with smokeless tobacco products, we're going to talk about the causes of these harmful side effects. What is wrong with smokeless tobacco that causes these different things? There's 30 different harmful chemicals or substances found in smokeless tobacco products. That's brought to us by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention as well. Tobacco-specific nitrosamines is one of those that's found. It's brought up in the process of growing tobacco, as well as the fermentation of tobacco. Polonium-210, which is a fertilizer, it's used as a tobacco and grass fertilizer. Nicotine, harmful metals such as arsenic, mercury, and aluminum. And we also are going to talk about small shards of glass. As you can see here, this is an image brought by quitchewingtobacco.com, which is an organization based on trying to help people quit. You can see they even include lead and uranium-235. These are all harmful substances to our body that are all found in smokeless tobacco products. So nicotine. A book written by Ramos Espejo, who's an author of the book Tobacco and Smoking. It's published in 2015 and it talks about different products in smoking and tobacco industry that are causing failures to our body. Nicotine is the most abused drug in the United States each year. It's also the highest concentrated substance found in smokeless tobacco, and it's what makes people want to use the product again. Studies show that 94% of people who try nicotine once are likely to use it again later on in their life. So now moving on from that to our solution, which is the final thing we were going to talk about today. Solution to this problem is to ban smokeless tobacco product use and distribution in the United States. How we would go about that? The procedure would be to propose a new law to U.S. Congress. Once Congress was to pass that law, we would then enforce that law and stop all use and distribution in the United States. This would help to make a drastic decrease in the number of deaths, cancer diagnoses, and other things led to by smokeless tobacco product use in the United States. Now we can talk about the review. The final thing is that problems associated with smokeless tobacco use. We touched on causes of these harmful side effects we touched on, and how we were able to solve this problem, which would be to ban the product use in the United States. Thank you guys for listening.